Okay, so let's just do a quick roundup. I just need to do apt-get install tshark. I do believe that I have described this procedure in detail. It's already installed here. And then we're gonna go ahead and run tshark -i, and my interface is ET80. Yours might be something different. Just type in ifconfig to see which one is it. And then we're gonna insert our custom filters. So we don't want to be looking on TCP port 22. We don't really care. So let's just go ahead and press enter, because port 22 TCP, that's basically us, our SSH connection, and that's not something that we really care about. So this is my IP address of the server, and this is like something, I don't know. Okay, so let's go ahead and have fun. Let's see what is out there for us. So who is this? Copy. And if it's a Tor Relay or Tor Authority or something like that, have a hash double minus. Okay, so this is God knows what. That's fine. Let's see. 121, probably something from Tor. I actually have no idea. Who is... Person Octave Klaba. Wow. I have technical contact. OVH. I don't know. I guess this is in that range. Okay, didn't really get much from there. I have no idea what that is. I could find out through an extensive investigation, but I really won't. I'm looking for something completely different. This one. No, this is not gonna happen. So let's. I'm just looking for Tor Authority, because that's the one that I would like to get acquainted with, to show you that we are actually being probed. Should have probably set the port, but not this one. Because there are some connections here which have nothing to do with us, that somebody foreign is simply probing us. And all these servers are being probed continuously. It's hilarious just how many scans they get per day. Oh god, where is it? One of them. It has to be like one of them. How do I feel lucky? That's what I should be asking myself. Um, 46 39. Okay, what is this? Have I checked this one before? Yep, this is problem loading the page. Okay, let's see about this one. This looks like it might be it. How it looks like, why it looks like it might be it, I don't know, because I've seen a lot of these addresses before. There we go. It is. So, 193.23.244.244, this is Tor Authority. So we are actually being probed, and we are communicating with the Tor network. Now I could run this through I could pull the information from the server and push it into my Wireshark GUI interface here on the client machine and get a more detailed output with all the data, etc. But there really is no point. It's encrypted anyway, so nothing I can really extract from it. But hey, we are communicating with a Tor network. The packets are coming through. We are getting the traffic. You can inspect your traffic a little bit better if you just run this through a GUI and then apply some filters on the client machine, etc. But I just wanted to prove that we do have a running and a fully functional Tor node. Now for the exit node, if you want to do that, I'm not going to do that now, but you just need to basically, I mean, you don't need to do much really. You can insert an entire series of custom predefined rules, which ports you allow, which ports you do not allow, but the general thing which you can do and do a wildcard. It's basically just instead of reject, type in accept, meaning that anything goes, anything flies. This is the universally open exit node, but all jokes aside, I'm gonna reject. So I'm not gonna actually allow this to be an exit node, but that's all you really need to do. Just change that exit policy to accept and reset the Tor, and that's it. Okay, so I'm gonna bid you farewell here as somebody's at the door, but we are done anyway. This is how you set a Tor node up. Have fun.